and today's video topic is SQL. So first, today we will discuss about SQL. Uh, SQL, when you want to do some operation on the data in the database, then you must have to return the query in the predefined syntax of SQL. The syntax of structure query language is a unique set of rules and guidelines, which is not case sensitive. This syntax is defined and maintained by the ISO and ANSI stand. Some most important points SQL syntax is you can write the keyword of SQL is both uppercase and lowercase, but return the SQL keyword is uppercase improves the readability of the SQL query. SQL statement or syntax are depend on text line. We can place a single SQL statement on one or multiple text line. You can perform most of the action in a database with SQL statement. SQL syntax depend on relational algebra and triple relational class. SQL class data SQL structure. The SQL statement tell the database what operation you want to perform on structure database and what information you would like to access from the database. Then second one is data SQL operation. SQL operation select, delete, create, alter, drop, create a database, etc. First one is select operation. This SQL statement read the data from the SQL database and show it as the output to the database user. Then second one is update. The SQL statement change or modify the stored data in the SQL database. Then delete statement. This SQL statement delete the stored data from the SQL database. Then create table statement. The SQL create the new table in SQL database. For a alter table statement, this SQL statement add, delete and modify the column of the table in the SQL database. The SQL alter statement rename the old column name to the new column name of existing database table. Drop table statement. SQL statement delete or remove the table and the structure, views, permission and triggers associated with that table. Syntax of drop table is a drop table if exists table name 1, table name 2 up to table name here. The above syntax drop statement delete specified table completely if they exist in the database. Create database statement. This SQL statement create the new database in the database management system. Then second, drop database statement. This SQL statement delete the existing database when with all the data table and view from the database management system.